Hello everyone, this is Jimmy Singh, broker owner Supermax Realty 647-961-2639. Welcome to my channel Real Estate Edge with Jimmy Singh. Folks, over last 16 plus years, myself and my team have been helping clients all across Greater Toronto area, Golden Horseshoe, Kitchener-Waterloo, London, Sarnia, and Windsor for a lot of our clients to find their retirement property and downsize. So in today's video, I like to share the top home features I propose and tell my clients to look for during their retirement years. First thing is, as individuals, as we move close to retirement, we start thinking about what kind of space would be most suitable to meet the needs of us growing older. I noticed that some clients choose to relocate to smaller towns or smaller cities, while others might opt for doing some senior-friendly renovations in the house. Some might put elevators, some might put wheelchair accessible ramps at the front of the property or the back, or maybe put all the kitchen counters, light switches at the height if they require wheelchair. So there are certain retrofits or modifications that can be made, certainly. And a lot of people, are choosing to live in the same neighborhood as long as possible, and they don't prefer going to nursing home right away. So following are the certain things that I want you to consider when you're getting ready for your retirement and looking to buy your last final home. First thing is, you should always consider less yard work. As we age, we may become little more limited in what we can do physically. Doing outdoor chores like cutting grass, shoveling snow, and keeping up with the landscaping might be difficult and challenging on some of the older folks, because as life cycle, their kids might move to different cities for jobs, some might get married and move away. So they have to depend on other person or third person to come and do all those chores for them, which can cost you time, money, and sometimes it is not even affordable. So a home that requires a little maintenance might be a better option. Second thing you want to consider is one floor plan which is more open to your needs. When we grow older, stair can be a tricky and dangerous for a lot of seniors to navigate. So finding a home on one floor plan or a bungalow that is an open floor concept could be an ideal situation. An open floor plan offers the opportunity for the maneuvering of a wheelchair or a scooter should the need arise down the line. So if you're looking to buy or move in one bungalow, or you want to move away from a bigger city, cash out on your equity, give us a call. We have a lot of connections with builders all across southwestern Ontario who can build a bungalow as per your needs. Third consideration, friends, we have to also think when we are retiring is closeness to family and the amenities. When we are young and in our 40s and 50s, the spacious home may be perfect to raise growing family, but it might not fit the bill when we are close to retirement or we are getting older. I have noticed many seniors like knowing they are close to their family members and are close to multitude of amenities like groceries, hospitals, banks, shopping. So a home that is in such neighborhood is always a good choice. Fourth thing we might consider when we are close to retirement picking to buy our house is easy modifiable, meaning when you buy a home in which floor plan can be easily modified that best fit your needs. It's very, very critical. So if you're buying a 2-story home, there's not many things you can do. You can't move a retaining wall, but if it's a bungalow, open concept, there's a lot of things you can do. Mobility may become factors down the line. It would be best to have your doorways, hallways, entryways, which could be widened or altered to be more accommodating if you wish to do that down the line. Another consideration can be close to public transit. So some seniors may choose at some point to stop driving. And so having a home that is close to public transport would be an ideal factor in choosing your forever home. Sixth consideration you can do is income potential. So when we get old, getting old without is not without financial consideration, because you are on a tight budget. Sometimes you have your own income coming, which is very limited. So some may find purchasing a property with a passive income potential to be highly attractive. So they could live in one unit and then rent out the rest of it. It could also give them extra income during their retirement age. So we work with a lot of clients. Some think, it's not ideal to live by themselves in a big house or a bungalow, because some choose to go to warmer place during winter months. So they feel safe if there's a couple or somebody living in their basements or in the other unit. Plus, if you need a mortgage, small mortgage, income in the basement or a separate unit can certainly increase your chances of getting qualifying. Last one is you have to, find a home that accommodates your desired lifestyle. So I see some, retirees, they dream that when they retire, they want to live, and want to spend most of the time relaxing on their front porches, while others want to remain active all their life. They want to go play golf, they want to travel different countries, and all the hard work they did in their life, they just want to enjoy the fruits of their labors. So life consideration should always come first. So if you still want to hike till you are in 90s, you might look for a home that is close to nature or close to trails. So if you love dining, shopping, and you love, hustle and bustle, down the street mall might be your best option. So folks, at the end, there's many more considerations when we are looking for retirement. If you're not sure how to start, or you have your family or your kids helping you out with that, give Team Supermax a call. In our team, we have experienced accountants, lawyers. I've been helping personally buy, sell properties for my clients for last 16 years. We will take care of all your headaches and make sure it's the smooth transaction ever. So if you want to reach me directly, my number is 647-961-2639. And we serve all the Greater Toronto Area, Golden Horseshoe, Kitchener-Waterloo, London, Sarnia, Windsor, and all along South Western Ontario. I hope you like the video. If you want to leave any comment, kindly do so, and I'll start sharing more information with you. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless.